Hi, I'm Joe James, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sort a file line by line using Python. So I've created this file called bands.txt, which is just a list of different bands, and there's one band on each line of the file. We're going to read in line by line, we're going to sort the bands, and then we're going to either print them to the screen or write them to another file in sorted order. So let's take a look at our program here. We're going to start out in our Python program with a list called bands, and that's just an empty list. Then the first thing we're going to do, like I said, is read the bands in from the file. We're going to sort the bands, and then we're going to write the sorted bands to a file. So file name equals bands.txt, that's the name of our file. And with open file name, which is bands.txt, as fn, so that's common Python lingo for reading in a file. You'll call with open file name as fn. For line in fn, in other words, for each line, do everything inside this for loop. Bands.append line. So each line, we're just going to append it to our bands list. And then when we're done reading in this entire file, after this for loop is done executing, we'll have all of the bands, line by line, appended to this list here of bands. And each line will be one band. And then we'll sort the bands by just using the built-in sort function in Python, bands.sort, that's an in-place sort. And then we'll print that out and just see how it works. So let's try that out. We'll go to the command prompt, we'll type in our file name and run it. And look, it's working, but we have this /n we need to get rid of. So as we read in each file, we should probably strip to get rid of that new line character. So let's go back and finish our code here. To write the sorted bands to an output file, we can add a different file name. We'll call it bands_sorted.txt. And then with open file name, (w), that means we're going to open this file name in the write mode as fout. For band and bands, which is our list is bands, right? We have all these bands in this sorted list, and for each band or each item in the list, we do fout.write, and that is how we write to the output file. fout.write, band plus new line. We need to add the new line character back in. And by the way, I forgot to add the strip here, so let's slip in that strip. Bands.append line.strip. And that will strip off blank spaces and new line characters as we read in each band before we add it to the list. And then here we'll add on the new line character again as we print it out. So let's save that, let's run it. And there's our list of bands in sorted order without the extra odd new line character. So let's take a look at the output. And here we go. Here's our sorted output in sorted order. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm Joe James. Thanks for watching.